Alright guys, in today's video we are checking out SMARTDEVIL Quick Installation Screen Protector. Now this one happens to be for my Samsung S24. The great thing about this is it totes to be installation quick. In other words, 1 or 2 steps and you're installed. And so we're going to check it out and see just how quick and how good these screen protectors are. Stick around. So this is a 3-pack, that's how they are sold, and I want to go over some of the benefits that it totes. It states that it is a quicker response for touch screen, fingerprint, drawing. It's a 1-step installation, auto alignment, dust and bubble removal, 100% no bubbles, scratch resistant, 8K crystal clear visibility, and the touch response is as good as the original screen. And the scratch proof, it gets a boost of a 220% scratch proof durability. So let's go ahead and open it up and we will try to install it on my Samsung here. Okay, accessories included in the paper bag. You got the cleaning wipes, dry wipes, and the dusting sticker. You get 3 of these. Little toolkit packages, and then of course we have the 3 screen protectors, and then of course here is the instructions. So you'll cover your phone, pull down the exhaust, and wait 10 seconds. Now I have an OtterBox on this phone, so this thing is very well protected, but we'll take it off here so we can install the screen. Okay, so here's the phone, and you simply put this over the phone, like so, and then you're going to pull it down and wait 10 seconds. Even tells you, it says top. Look at that. Wait 10 seconds, you can see what's happening here. Off. Just like that, I have a new screen protector on my phone. There we go. Just like that. That's it, guys. That was so quick, that was so easy, so efficient that I'm surprised more people don't use these. I mean, I used to struggle with putting on screen protectors. You know, I would ruin it, have to buy a second one, or those days are gone with this thing. I'll tell you what, very handy, very convenient, very quick. And I've got 2 more in case one breaks. So you can pick yourself up one of these at Amazon. They have it for the different iPhones and Samsungs and I think a few other brands. Links are in the description, guys. Grab yourself one today. See everyone on the next review. Ciao.